There's so much deception when it comes around common foods. Really, 68% of Americans, it's probably more in the 70s now, struggle with weight management.
So food marketing manipulates statistics, don't they?
It's all marketing. Everything you see is marketing. You know, the food industry spends about $14 billion annually, and it's meant to convince you to buy their foods and to buy foods that they try to tell you are healthy.
Oh, healthy. And here's the shocking part. 98% of food advertisements of products high in sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats.
Fat, sugar, and salt. That's what all processed foods means. Yeah, and and the great thing is, like, natural has become like a word that means healthy, but natural means none of that. In fact, I think 84% of these natural products contain the highly processed ingredients from the salt, sugars, and fats.
Yeah, they've bastardized that label,
Oh, it's terrible.
that low-fat label.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about it?
You know, I mean, they use that like natural, low-fat, healthy, all those things.
They do. Yeah, and then probably what half of all the products have more sugar than the regular versions, although it's low fat.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's the secret part of it, all right? Because it's low fat, but that doesn't mean it's like not low in sugar.
No, because they have to manipulate the flavor somewhere else to say, oh, we took out the fat here, but it'll taste like horrible. It'll taste like cardboard, so we have to jack up the sugar here, or jack up the salt over there, the sodium.
That's exactly how it's all done. That's ultra processed foods.
Correct.
Well, and then they take out the vitamins and then put it back. Oh, this is zinc fortified. Why are you taking zinc out and then tell me it's fortified when you put it back in?
That makes no sense
Not
because
at
it's all part of the process, right? When they process the food,
Yeah.
they got to strip it down.
Yeah, so you see low fat, you see natural, you see fortification. And here's the thing, 63% of us trust that, on the front package, that the health claims that they make without even checking the nutrition label.
Correct, because you look at the front and it will say non-GMO verified, right? It will say natural or organic, right? And the box will be, instead of a white box, it will be like a natural what's it called? The tan dyed boxes with green all over it.
Yeah, the green washing, like you said.
The green washing.
The green leaves.
Yes, the green leaves. So this all the different colors to make you think it's natural.
Yeah.
Natural as you find in nature.
And because of all this brainwashing and you think it's healthy, those foods contain hidden weight gain triggers. Yeah, I mean, think about this. Today's day and age, the average American consumes 3,600, almost 1,000, that'd be a lot of calories, 3,600 calories on a daily basis.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot. And how much average a man or woman need?
Well, it kind of depends, but you kind of say the average to survive when you're eating good, healthy meals is around 2,000.
Wow.
Yeah, and that's consuming, and you can use a lot more calories, because when you lose more calories than that, it's by exercising, working out, and thinking, what have you, then you're going to be in a deficit, and that's how you start to lose weight.
Right. Whereas if you're eating that amount of calories, 3,600 average, and you're not moving your body, and you're not eating healthy, clean food, so then of course you're over, and your weight starts to go up every year.
Yeah, all those ultra processed foods, and that's the problem when it comes to obesity. And it runs so much deeper than just the content of food, but actually what it does to your body, because those traditional healthy choices, they just mislead us.